Imagine a frog so transparent you can see right through it. That's the glass frog, a remarkable creature that lives in the rainforests of Central and South America. These little amphibians have transparent bellies, enabling us to see their internal organs, including their beating hearts. It's like having a living X-ray in the rainforest. Glass frogs are masters of camouflage. Their transparent skin allows them to blend in with leaves and other vegetation, making them invisible to predators. Glass frogs have an interesting reproductive strategy. The males take on the responsibility of parenting. They lay their eggs on the underside of leaves that hang directly over streams. This clever choice protects the eggs from predators and allows them to hatch safely in the water below. Once the eggs hatch, the tadpoles drop into the stream and begin their aquatic life. They feed on algae and other small aquatic organisms until they undergo metamorphosis, transforming into adult frogs. Are glass frogs endangered? Currently, approximately 50% of all glass frog species evaluated by the IUCN Red List are threatened with extinction. Within the Centralinidae family, 10 species are classified as critically endangered, 28 are endangered, and 21 are considered vulnerable. What are the threats to glass frogs' population? Glass frogs have become increasingly popular in the international pet trade because of its unique beauty. Other threats include habitat destruction and fragmentation, due to the expansion of agriculture, human settlement, logging and mining, then climate change and infectious diseases. These incredible creatures remind us of the beauty and diversity that exists within our rainforest ecosystem.